Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about eye makeup. So this video is for deep set eyes or the eyes that are dipped in. I mean your cheekbone area and your eyebrows are higher than your eyes and they are a bit deeper. So this eye shape, it's harder to do for the eye makeup. I know most of the time whatever you put, they still looks more deeper. So today we're gonna cover this look. All right, so let's get started. So for this kind of eyes, mainly what we do is we try not to put any darker shades on your lid. So this is your lid, from inner corner to this on the top, this is your lid, and this is your crease. So above the crease you can put anything, but below that lid area you can't put anything darker. So let's get started and I'll show you what I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is my eye palette from MAC and I'm gonna use this palette, and they got some eyeshadows and highlighter, and this palette is from David Jones and it got lots of colors and concealers and contouring and all that. So I am going to start with very light highlighting underneath my brows, which is very, very important for these kind of eyes. So I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows. Never need anything. I never color them or powder them. So once highlighting is done, you can do a little bit underneath here, but if you need it you should do it, highlight. So once your highlighting is done, I'm gonna put a little bit more. Mine eyes are not like that, but they are a little bit. When I gain weight, my cheeks will get heavier then. So I'm gonna use a medium to dark shade. I'm not gonna use darker shade for mine. So if I'm going to wear this one so I'm gonna do the makeup according to this. So I'm going to use this color on my crease, which is orange shade on my crease. You can see how nicely the color is coming. You can go up a little bit because this color is not as dark. Blend in nicely. You can use your finger a little bit. I like to use it. It really gives a nice crease. Okay. So once this one done, going to use lighter shade. Anything sparkly, lighter can go really well with this kind of eyes. You will see how nicely your eyes came out and pop out. I'm using shimmery shadows. I should do it this side so it's better. Only on your crease, okay? Lid. And then I'm going to use a little bit brown on this side. This is orangey and brown mix. So just to give illusion of so guys, I recommend you for this kind of eyes, please avoid doing big thick eyeliners on top and coals underneath your eyes, anything darker on your eyelids, waterline. This won't suit you because this will drag your eyes more in. Instead of that, you can use a heavy mascara. Heavy mascara is really good, and you can use is a thin eyeliner, a really thin eyeliner that will just give you a nice just a line here, just on underneath on top of your eyelashes, and this will really pop out your eyes. And mascara is really for the line. I'm going to use a normal tip brush and a dark color, so darker brown, and that will do for you. So just on top of your lashes. You don't need to use pencil or anything. Okay. Once you finish with this, let's get started with mascara. I'm not going to use straight away this one. First, you have to put one layer of mascara on your lashes. So, alright. So first layer. First on the top. Begin with the top and once this done, let's get started with this one. See? And then my mascara is actually not as good now. Okay. Same under lashes. Guys, don't forget this step. It's very important. I know they don't like to put mascara on, but for you guys it's important because you want to pop your eyes more out. So this is really important. Okay. So once this done, I used white eyeliner underneath on my waterline, and it's really changed the whole look. You can use as well. It's I think it's personal choice, but it looks good when the whole makeup is done. I mean, your eye makeup is perfectly done. So if you just use, everyday thing, it's not nice. Okay, so anything underneath your lashes, you can use a lighter shade as well, but nothing dark, no browns, or not in any darkers. Anything lighter in reds, in like what we use on top is orangey. You can mix and match. Once you start doing makeup, you will know what suits you and what will suit, and you have to choose according to your dress as well. This is the final look, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much, and please comment below for more videos like this. Thank you for the support. See you next time. Bye bye.